2017 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XTS was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, OnStar, heated seats, navigation system, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.